Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. We continue with our numpy lessons. Okay, so today we're doing random values. Okay, so let's say we want to print some random floats or integers. We use the random function or method or library or whatever or object. Let's say. So what we do is to do that we first import our random. So from numpy import random. Okay, so from numpy import random, and here what it's trying to do is we are trying to generate or print a number, a random integer, um, from 0 to 50. Like, okay, so if I should run, so first we have the result of 23. If I should run it, it should change. Okay, so 17. If I should run it again. Okay, so let's just try it out. So let's say m equals random dot rand int into bracket. So I want to print values from, let's say, any value from 0 to 6. Okay, and then print m. Okay, so 3, if I should run it again, it should change. So 1, run it again, 3, run it again, 2. Okay, so using the random function, run int. Okay, run int, random.run int, we can print any number, the integer. Okay, so here generate random floats between 0 to 1. Okay, so here what is happening is we want to print floats between 0 and 1. Okay, so when you use random.rand, okay, we didn't specify any value, we didn't give any value, so it's going to print values from 0 to 1. So as you can see, we have 0 points. So let me run it again. It should give us another number. Sorry. Okay, so let's try that out. So it's going to give us float values. So let's say m equals random dot rand. Okay, so look at the difference. So to print int, you use rand int. To print float, and just use rand. Okay, so first we print m. Okay, so you can see we have a random number between 0 and then from 0 to 1. So let's run it again. Okay, let's run it again for the last time. Okay, so here what we are achieving is generate a 1D array containing 10 random floats. Okay, so here we specify. So here we didn't specify any number, but here we specified a number. Okay, that's 10. So here we are going to print floats from 0 to 10. Okay, so random floats from 0 to 10. Okay, so let's try that out. So m equals random dot rand into brackets. Did I make any mistake? To bracket, let's say I want to print numbers, and so let's print m. Let's run it. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unlike this one, we specified 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you can put any value here, and then you get the desired floats being printed. Let's go to this. This generates array with 3 rows, each row containing 4 random numbers. Okay, so here we are, so you can see the results here, 1, 2, 3. So we are printing random, that's random floats in 3 arrays. Okay, and in that array we want 4 values in each array. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our array is 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in each of these 3 arrays we have 4 elements in each of them. So let's try that with our m variable. So m equals random dot, so random dot, let's say rand to brackets, let's do 3 by 4. Okay, and then let's print m. Okay, so you can see we have okay, so let's change it to 5. So, okay, you can see we have 4 elements in 3 rows, 3 arrays. So let's change it to 5, and then let's change it to, let me say, 6. Let's print it. Okay, so you can see This is quite difficult. Okay, so let me just do it. It's 3. It's okay. So you can see we have 5 arrays: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each of the arrays we have 3 elements. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here, sorry, generates. So here we are trying to generate a random integer given these parameters. Okay, so here is we are given 100, so we want it to print um values from 0 to 100. Okay, and then the size should be 10. Okay, so inside our array we want it to print only 10 numbers ranging from 0 to 10 100. So let's try that out with our m variable. So m equals random dot rand int into brackets. So let's say for I want to do 50, I want to print numbers from 0 to 50. Okay, and then specify the size. Let's say I want to print one values ranging from, like, I only want let me see, let's do 20. Okay, so 20. Okay, so I want 20 numbers in our array ranging from 0 to what, 50. So let's print m. Model numpy random has no attribute rand. Okay, so I made a mistake. Rand, I have to put n here. Let's run it. Okay, so you can see we should have 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it should be 20. Okay, so 20. And there's a 1D array. So you can see 1D array. So if I should, let me move this up. So let's look at this. So if I should print it out, okay, if I should print, check the dimension of m. So just do m dot, let's say ndim. Okay, so it's a 1D array. Okay, you can decide to also bring print here if you are not going to confuse you. So yeah. Okay, so 50. Okay, so we want random numbers from 0 to 50, and then we only want to print 20 elements within our array. So between 0 to 50, we want only what, 20 elements. Okay, so this generates 10 random integers from 0 to 100 with 3 rows. So a 2D array. Okay, so let's try this out. So here round it 100, and then the size is 3 by 10. Okay, so let's play. So m equals random dot rand int into brackets, let's say 50. So 50 comma size into brackets equals, sorry, size equals into brackets, let's say 4 by 5. So for me, I'm looking at once random numbers from 0 to 50, and then I want a 2D array of 4. Okay, so 4 arrays, and then in each of the 4 arrays I want 5 elements. So let's print it out. And yeah, okay, so you can see we have random numbers from 0 to 50, and then the size. Okay, so 4. So that's the array 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in each of the array we have 5 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here select a value from an array. Okay, so using the choice property. Okay, so using the choice. Okay, so x equals to random dot choice. So this is going to it will choose its own number that I want. So if I should run this again, it should change. Okay, run it again, it's going to change. Okay, so you can see. Let's try that out with our m. So m equals random choice. Okay, bracket, square bracket, and then let's put in a value 6, 8, 9, 10, and then let's print m. So you have 9. If I should run it again, Okay, so using the choice, okay, and then let's do our last. So generate a 2D array with 3 rows and 4 elements in each row, picking from the listed value in the list. Okay, so here we have a list. Okay, we have a list, and then we want it to work within this list. Okay, so our choice is going to shuffle itself. Okay, if using these numbers, it's going to shuffle itself and then create 3 arrays with 4 elements using these numbers. Okay, so you can see it here. No other numbers aside these numbers. Okay, apart from these numbers, no other numbers are in the list. So let's try that out. I'm just going to copy this. Let me just do it. So m equals random choice into brackets, square brackets, and then let's put in any value 4, comma 5, comma 6, 8, 7, and then comma size equals into brackets 3 by 3 by 3. Print m. Okay, so we have so our first row we have this 1, 2, 3. So our array, 3 arrays, and each of the arrays we have what 3 elements. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.